Hello everybody, it's me Alicia. For this video I wanted to show you guys some beads that I got from an online bead store. The store is called CzechBeadsExclusive.com. This place is awesome. You guys know that I love Czech beads. They are my favorite to work with. And this bead store is actually located in the Czech Republic, Prague, Czech Republic. And I wanted to see how far away they were from my house, and I did an online search and I discovered that they are almost 5,000 miles away from my house. So these beads traveled a very long distance to get to me. And it took about a month for me to get them. And I was really blown away by this website because they have some beads that are really rare that I've never seen anywhere else. And also they had good prices. There are some seed beads that I've been wanting for a very long time. And they're kind of a rare seed beads. They're called Picasso. And a lot of the online places that I found them at, they were either sold out or they were really overpriced. Some of the places had like 8 grams of these seed beads, and they're large seed beads, okay? They're not tiny seed beads, for like $7. That's a lot of money for 8 grams. That's like $1 a gram. It's crazy. So this place had 20 grams for I think 3 something. It had really good prices. So on the back of this card it has millimeter sizes, and I've seen other businesses do this before. When you buy from them, they'll send you a card and have the millimeters on the back, but I've never seen any store give a chart that has seed bead sizes. So this has a 15-0 all the way up to a 1-0 seed beads. And there are seed beads actually bigger than this. I have some seed beads that are 35-0 and they are huge. And I love them. They're Czech. But anyways, I thought that was cool. And also down here it tells you how many beads you will need. So there's a bracelet, and here is for a 16-inch strand how many, beads you will need in each size. And this is just for if you're doing a bracelet that has all the same exact size beads. If you're mixing in other sizes, it gets more difficult. But anyways, I love how it had the seed bead chart in the back, and I'm going to laminate this so I have it forever. But this store is amazing. I could not believe the rare beads they have. Beautiful beads. So I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got. I got these beads here. This is what I was talking about. These here are very rare. I've been looking for them for months now. They are Czech seed beads. These are called Picasso. Some other stores call them different names, but that's what I know them by. And they are just so beautiful. I love striped seed beads, and they're kind of hard to get a hold of. But anyways, I got 2 20-gram packs in this bag. So there is 40 grams here, and I think it was, I forgot how much it was. I'm not totally sure in the price because it's been a month since I got it, but I want to say it was about 7 something for 40 grams, which is a really good deal. They're beautiful. And there's a mixture of, I think, 2 different sizes in here. There are 6 O's right there, and I want to say 1 O. So right there's the 1 O. Either 1 O or 2 O's in this. But I just love these. They're gorgeous. Oh, and by the way, it doesn't say what it is on the packages. It just has the product code. So if you guys are interested in the beads that I got, I'll go online. I'll go back online and search for them, and I'll put them down there in the description bar. And I do plan on making a tutorial using this stuff. So I got these seed beads, and I also got these. This is a mixture. It's so pretty. And I also got 40 grams, so I got 2 20-gram packs. And there's the product code. And this is so pretty. There is the turquoise Picasso, the purple, here's the dark blue, there's black in there, there's this one here, this white and brown one, which I want to say was the first Picasso bead created, but I'm not totally sure on that. And it's a mixture of sizes. These here are bigger than 1-0s. I don't know what they are, but they're just gorgeous. I love this mixture. So I got that. My cat is here. I don't know what his deal is. And I got these. These are so cool. They look like donuts. I love them. This is also a mixture of beads. There's, I think, 4 different colors. There's like a red Picasso. There's the white with the brown. There's green. And I think another brown, like a transparent brown. Anyways, look at these. They're so cool. They look like little donuts. I just love those. And I was so shocked on how big this pack is. 50 grams. That's a lot of beads in this bag. And it was a really good deal. I wish I could remember how much everything was. But it's been a month now since I ordered from them. So these here. These are so cool. I've never seen these before. These are Czech. And I want to say they were called Nautilus beads. But look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Right there's the hole. And my plan is to make, or to use these as cabochons and bead around them. And I can either do a ring, a bracelet, a necklace. And I got these in 2 colors. I got these green ones here. And I also got them in this blue color, which has like a purple on it. They're so beautiful. I love them. And I also got cabochons. These are my first Czech, actual Czech glass cabochons. I think these were also called a Picasso. They're so beautiful. Look at that. They're gorgeous. And I don't remember what size these were, but I'll do a search and I'll tell you guys what size they were. Or are down there in the description. So make sure you look down there in the description bar of this video. But here's the product code for that one there. And the product code for these. And I got some new 2-hole beads that I've been seeing. I've been wanting to try them out. They're called Nibbit. N-I-B-B-I-T. I got this purple color, which is one of my favorite purple colors to work with. It's just gorgeous. And this red Picasso. These are stunning. I just love them. But they're really cool looking. It looks like a slice of pie. There's 2 holes in it. And the bigger side is thicker than the pointed side. They're pretty neat. And there's the product code for them. They had these in a lot of colors. And I also got some 2-hole beads. I forgot what these called. I don't want to say they're crescent because I have other crescent beads and they're different. Maybe they're called half moon or something? I don't remember. But they're really neat. It's like half a circle. That's how I would describe it. And the thickness is the same throughout the whole bead. They're not like the crescent beads. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. There's this Czech bead that is, I think it's Czech. It's called a crescent bead, and it has 2 holes. But these are different. These are like half a circle. Anyways, I love these. And I also got some of these here. These are so cool. They're smaller than the Nautilus looking beads I got. But I just love the swirl. Looks like a cinnamon bun. A green cinnamon bun. And they also gave me a little sample packet. And I want to say that these are the same as these. They're just different colors. So, when I got these, my idea was for making a design. I'll move these off to the side. These here, I want to bead around them. Like they're cabochons. So I was wanting to bead around them. So I got some colors. Let's see. I got this red Picasso to go with this green. And for the blue, I got these purple. So the red Picasso Nibbit with those. And the purple with this, because there's purple in this. And the half moon beads, I got these to go with this. Because if you look at the red Picasso, you can kind of see this color. And blue and green look great together. I love those colors together. And I got this here. I think this was a purple iris. I got these to go with this. Okay. And I was thinking that I could maybe use these with this. I wish they had these in more colors because I would have bought another color. But when I got them, they only had one. Maybe they have more now. I don't know. But I love those. They're so great. And I also thought that these cabochons here are really pretty, and they also look good with these too. So I might do something with that. And these here, I'm thinking I might use with this. So I have a lot going on with that there. And I just might use some of these seed beads with these. I don't know if it'll work or not. I'll have to play around. But these are the kind of colors that I have going on. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be playing with these beads and doing the tutorial and show you guys what I come up with. But yeah, you guys should totally check out this website. I think they ship all around the world, and I was blown away because when I went to check out, you know, a lot of websites have it where you can use PayPal or you can put in your credit card number. This one was different. So you guys might want to check this out because I've never seen a bead store like this before, and they have some really rare stuff. Oh, and I found out that they have a YouTube page, a YouTube channel, and I subscribe to them on YouTube because every time they get new beads, they upload videos, very short videos, on the beads that they got in. And it's really cool seeing all the different Czech beads that there are. There's so many Czech beads that I didn't even know about. So I guess because they're located in the Czech Republic, they have beads that you don't normally see at other places. So I'm going to play around with this stuff, and I don't know what I had planned might change, you know, because when you go to do something, it doesn't always turn out the way you planned. It turns out differently. But I'll see how it goes. Oh, and I do like these with this. All of those there, I like those colors together. And that blue there, that's a different blue, so I don't know. I'll see how it goes. I might just have to hoard these. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry we've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.